Hi, and welcome to Mrs. Madro's Social Studies homepage in Canvas. When you first log into Canvas and choose your Social Studies class, this is the homepage that you will see. There's a little welcome from me. As you scroll farther down the page, there will be a slideshow where you can get to know me a little bit. Scroll even farther down the page and you'll see a couple of buttons to push. To join our live Zoom class, you'll push the button that says Live Lesson Zoom. Once you're into that, I have put a schedule for you for the class times, and then if you click the Join Meeting Zoom button, it will take you directly to our Zoom meeting. From here, you can go back to the home page. Then to get to assignments for the day, you'll simply go back to the home page and click this Current Unit button. When you click that, it will take you to the week of work that we are currently working on. We will cover more of this in detail in class.